All right, guys, we're running these rapid 9500 milliamps. Here we go. Let's see if we get a reading. All right, there we are. Yesterday we lost signal satellites, but it did read our 91. So let's go, guys. Here we go. One pass. I've never stood on a ladder, guys, but we're standing on the ladder today. Gonna take it all the way down to our turnaround. We're gonna go about right there, guys. What do you say? All right, here we go. Hold on, guys, here we go. It already cut out. It already cut out. It already cut out. It already cut out. Oh, guys, we almost lost it. Wow. See if we can bring it back. Let's see what we got. That's crazy, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, guys, we almost lost it. Let's see what we got. Stop. Read. Well, we got 87, but it almost blew over backwards, and it looks like we knocked our wing off. Darn it. We almost lost it, guys. Holy cow. Well, we got the wing off. Good thing we brought a couple of tools. We got 87, guys. That's crazy amount of power because it lifted way down there when I thought I was backing off. Here we go. All right, guys, let's try this again. We got 87. First pass. Let's take a picture of that. All right, guys, let's go ahead and restart it. Track start. There we go. All right, guys, we're gonna call this the last one because I think we're just burning up the batteries. We need to be going full speed when we come by us. Here we go, guys. Well, I don't think we got to our 91, but I had to let off of it. Call it a day, guys, on that. I don't think we got it. Stop. Read. Oh, we got 86 on that pass. I don't know, guys. It's hard to get into it. All right, well, let's see what the motor temp is and the ESC temp is. And maybe we'll take another pass. Maybe we'll check out the batteries and see what they got left in them. Let's see what we got, guys. We got 96. Not bad. And we got 96 for the motor as well. The batteries are 103. I didn't tell you guys I had them warming up, try to get a good pass. Everything is cooled to the cool. See what we got here. Max speed 84. This says 84. So 86, 84. Let's do it again. All right, guys, before we do it again, let's see what our batteries are reading at voltage wise. All right, we got enough to do one more pass. Start. There we go. All right, guys, here we go. We're gonna turn around. Last pass, no wing. Woo! Wow. Wow. All right, we gotta go, guys. Wow. Let's see what we got. Woo. Wow. Read 88. Man, well, we got 86, 87, and 88 today. What's going on, guys? I keep pulling wheelies. That's what's going on. We're just gonna call it a day, guys. Thanks for watching. Love you guys. Be back.